Have you ever looked up at the moon and wondered where it came from? It's a question that has puzzled scientists for centuries. The answer, they believe, might lie in a lost planet named Theia. Imagine a time when our solar system was young and chaotic, filled with swirling gas and dust. It was during this time, about 4.5 billion years ago, that Theia is thought to have existed. Theia, named after the Greek goddess who gave birth to the moon goddess Selene, is more than just a name in mythology. It's a crucial part of our planet's history. Though we've never seen Theia directly, scientists have pieced together its story from clues left behind in the Earth and the Moon. Like all planets, Theia was born from a swirling disk of dust and gas called a protoplanetary disk. This disk surrounded our young sun, and over millions of years particles within it clumped together due to gravity. These clumps grew larger and larger, eventually forming planets, including Earth and, hypothetically, Theia. Theia is believed to have formed in a stable region of the solar system known as a Lagrange point. Lagrange points are areas in space where the gravitational forces of two larger bodies, in this case the Sun and Earth, balance the centripetal force felt by a smaller object. This stability allowed Theia to coalesce and grow over time. Though we haven't found direct evidence of Theia, scientists can make educated guesses about its characteristics based on its presumed impact with Earth. It's believed that Theia was roughly the size of Mars, perhaps a bit smaller, and had a composition similar to Earth's, rich in iron and silicates. This similarity in composition is a key piece of the puzzle when we consider the theory of how Theia ultimately met its end. Theia's life, however, was not destined to be long-lived. According to the giant impact hypothesis, Theia eventually destabilized and was set on a collision course with the early Earth. This collision, while cataclysmic, is believed to be the single most important event in shaping our planet and its future. The impact was so powerful that it ejected massive amounts of material from both Earth and Theia into space. Some of this material eventually coalesced under its own gravity, forming the moon we know today. Section 5. The Moon's Telltale Composition. One of the strongest pieces of evidence supporting the giant impact hypothesis, and therefore the existence of Theia, lies in the composition of the Moon. Lunar samples brought back by the Apollo missions revealed that the Moon's composition is strikingly similar to Earth's mantle, the layer beneath our planet's crust. This similarity suggests that the Moon was formed from material ejected from Earth, likely during a massive impact event. Further evidence for Theia's existence comes from the study of ancient Earth rocks. Scientists have found subtle isotopic differences between rocks on Earth and those on the Moon. These differences, particularly in the isotopes of oxygen, suggest that while the Moon's building blocks came primarily from Earth, there was a second distinct source of material involved in its formation. This second source, scientists believe, was Theia. The impact of Theia had far-reaching consequences, not just for the formation of the Moon, but potentially for the origin of life itself. The massive collision released vast amounts of energy, heating the Earth's surface and creating a molten ocean of magma. This event would have sterilized the planet, wiping out any early life that might have existed. However, the impact also delivered water and other volatile compounds to Earth, setting the stage for the emergence of life as we know it. While the giant impact hypothesis is widely accepted, scientists are constantly searching for more evidence to support it. One way they're doing this is by studying other planetary systems. By observing the formation of planets around other stars, scientists can gain insights into the processes that may have led to the creation of Theia and its ultimate collision with Earth. These observations can help refine our understanding of the early solar system and the events that shaped our planet's history. Though Theia itself is long gone, its legacy lives on in the Earth we inhabit and the Moon that graces our night sky. Theia's story is a reminder of the dynamic and often violent history of our solar system, a history that ultimately paved the way for life to emerge on our planet. As we continue to study the Earth, the Moon, and other planets, we uncover more pieces of the puzzle, gradually painting a clearer picture of Theia and its role in shaping our corner of the cosmos.